$2.3 million only with LinkedIn posts. A few weeks ago, I was chatting with Justin Welsh, and I want to reveal in this video his whole strategy and how he managed to make $2.3 million in just 3 years thanks to his LinkedIn post. Okay, we got the intro. So obviously the first step for Justin Welsh was to build a huge audience. The way he managed to do it is by focusing at first on a niche. Because of his experience in the SaaS healthcare space, that's exactly where he started. But as he grew his audience, he realized that he became better and better at copywriting. So instead of just talking about his previous skills, he just started to talk about what he just learned, which was copywriting. Based on that, he wanted to focus on a broader audience, which were entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, and people who want to make a living online. But how exactly did he convert his audience into paying customers? Bam, 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 bam. Justin Welsh doesn't have any complex funnel that you can see online. His is pretty simple. And the reason why is because he designed his funnel exactly the same way he buys stuff online. So the goal is simple. Have a newsletter where you bring tons of value, and from his newsletter, people can purchase basically two types of products. The first one is a membership to his community, and the second one is his courses. The long-term game though with the community is to bring more people to buy the courses. Usually, whenever people are selling courses online, they tend to price it above $1,000, which is usually usually is annoying. The price for his courses is actually pretty low because he doesn't want people to think through it too much. He wants people to get shit tons of value from it and be able to recommend it to others. He's focusing on one thing, volume. And the price is also low because he wants anyone around the globe to be able to purchase it. But how exactly did he drive people to his newsletter from his LinkedIn post and his audience? And apparently I need to practice my English accent.
You miss off S's.
Yeah, and I add S's where they don't exist, right? It doesn't make sense. Justin's newsletter is sent every single Saturday. So on Friday, he's gonna post something on LinkedIn to his audience about what he's gonna talk about on Saturday. Directly inside his LinkedIn post, there is a link to subscribe to his newsletter. From that, he can get thousands and thousands of emails each month from his growing audience on LinkedIn. Then, to gather even more people on his newsletter, he always posts on Sunday the topic that he mentioned during his newsletter from Saturday. He also gives an access to the newsletter directly on his website. Each newsletter is converted into a blog post that anyone can access at any time. The structure of the newsletter is super straightforward and only takes 4 minutes to read because obviously he knows well his audience. As an entrepreneur, you don't always have a lot of time, so he wants to make newsletter short and sweet. With this simple strategy and by repurposing his own content, Justin was able to grow from zero to more than $2 million in earnings in just 3 years. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want me to answer any questions about how to grow a business, just let me know in the comments.